Open Photoshop. Hit L key or choose Lasso tool from the toolbar. Select where you want to get retouched. Then hit Delicious Retouch button and wait. Resize the circle into your person face and hit Enter. Start brushing the skin. Important note is that you should avoid edges. Here is before and the after. Now we need to relight the skin. So we create frequency separation via median. Alright. Now we choose the median radius. In this part the right thing is that we don't see the skin textures. Select low frequency layer. Choose Mixer Brush tool from the toolbar. Copy the exact settings. Right now start brushing and try to blend highlights and shadows together. Just look how I'm doing, cause it's very important how you doing it. If you don't know how the frequency separation works, ask me in the comments below. It needs lots of practice, but it gives you very great result. Now we create a new merge layer and clean her hairs. Here is the before and the after. Ask me any question or methods that you want me to create a tutorial about it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.